Hello everyone, welcome back to WPGeoBuddy. Today in this video, we will talk about another add-on for GeoDirectory called Events for GeoDirectory or GeoDirectory Event Manager. This add-on adds compatibility to our GeoDirectory website for adding events, providing us with features such as recurring events, advanced filtering, multiple event CPTs, price-specific features, linked events, calendar view, advanced search, and much more. And for our recurring events and advanced event filtering, meaning upcoming, past, today, tomorrow, there are many more options for advanced event filtering as you can see in the event screenshots. Right. So let's talk today about how we can use this Events for GeoDirectory add-on on our GeoDirectory website. First of all, to use it, we need to install and activate the Events for GeoDirectory add-on on our GeoDirectory website, for which we need to click on Add New in Plugins, then Upload Plugin, and then we need to select the Events for GeoDirectory add-on. As soon as we click on Install, our add-on is ready to be activated and we click on Activate Plugin. So the Events for GeoDirectory add-on is now activated here. As soon as we install and activate this Events for GeoDirectory add-on on our GeoDirectory website, we get an Events tab in the GeoDirectory settings. We will click on this where we find some settings related to events such as date format and listings. Here we will click on Show Advanced. So for the date format, this setting allows us to add or display the input date format and display date format according to our preference for all events created through the GeoDirectory Events Manager add-on. Or if we want to keep a custom date format, we can also set that according to our needs. Next is the listings section, which provides us with some settings like default event filter, directory map event filter, and so on. We are provided with settings such as disable recurring feature, hide past event schedules, include ongoing events, remove date from title, limit event occurrences, schedules in map pop-up, and display dates in map pop-up, which we can manage here according to our requirements. Apart from this events tab, an event CPT is also created here, which is a GeoDirectory event CPT created by our Events for GeoDirectory add-on, in which we get settings where we can add custom fields to our events if needed, manage their sorting, and manage their tabs. In the general settings, we get settings related to this event CPT, such as its slug, ordering, default image, disabling comments, ratings, disabling single reviews, disabling favorites, front-end ad, and other such settings. Just as I explained regarding the GeoDirectory custom post type add-on, we get the same settings here for our event CPT and we can manage them according to our needs. Next is our search, which is related to the GeoDirectory advanced search add-on, providing us with fields to use for event filtering on the search page. Along with this, the duplicate alert add-on will also work here. So let's go ahead and add an event to show you the view. Here we write GeoDirectory test event. Right? And here we add some dummy text for the event, which will be the event description. Now we can manage whether this event is recurring or not from here. We can add the event start date and end date from here. If it is an all day event, we can set it accordingly. If the event is to run at a specific time, we can set that here. We can set the event category here. We can set the event location here. We can also select the default map for the event in this way and save it. For the front end view, we get to see the events archive page, which looks like this, where we can also filter and sort the events. We can also perform sorting from here, and we can manage it using the sorting tab, which is our sorting option. And our default search or filter option can be managed by going into the GeoDirectory settings and then into the event settings, where we can decide which event to keep here and how to set the default. Right. Similarly, the address map for each event is also shown here, which we can see from here. At the same time, the single event page also appears like this. Right. So this was the working of the GeoDirectory Event Manager. If you want to consult with us regarding this or anything related to GeoDirectory work, you can click on the book consultation button on our website WPGeoBuddy.com to book a one-to-one consultation with our GeoDirectory experts via Calendly. You can also view our products here and purchase any single product which is available in single site, 5 site, and unlimited site licenses. Furthermore, you can also purchase our membership, which starts at $99 per year, in which you get our 10 premium add-ons as well as all our future add-ons that are released. So, do use them and share your feedback. Thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.